hope all of you are fine and safe at your home and study well. Students, in previous videos we have completed that if there are two or more singular subjects joined by and, usually take a verb in the plural. If two singular nouns refer to the same person or thing, the verb must be in the singular. When a singular noun or a pronoun is joined to second noun by with or as well as, the verb is in singular. When two or more subjects in the singular are joined by or, nor, either or, neither nor, the verb is put in the singular. But if two subjects connected by or nor are of different numbers of persons, the verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. And either, neither, each, every, everyone, must, much, a little must be followed by a verb in singular. Now today we are learn about a few, several, both, many are always followed by a verb in the plural. A few, several, both और many जो होते हैं वो हमेशा प्लूरल वर्ब के साथ फॉलो किए जाते हैं. जैसे many of these girls have not done their work properly. Here examples: several of these girls were not able to do this sum. Both the girls have failed to do this activity. Too many cooks spoil the broth. There were only a few men present at the concert. Here students, I hope all of you have to understood that too many, a few, several, that type of word always consider the plural verb. Now read carefully the following examples which show why the singular verb is used. इन दोनों सेंटेंस को आपको रीड करना है और ये जानना है कि क्यों यहाँ पर सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज की गई है. लाइक फर्स्ट वन इज, दिस क्लास ऑफ गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज इज वेरी लार्ज. नाउ इज यूज्ड बिकॉज द सब्जेक्ट इज क्लास. इस सेंटेंस में जो सब्जेक्ट है वो क्लास है और जो कि सिंगुलर है, इसीलिए यहां पर सिंगुलर वर्ब कंसिडर की गई है. A great army of soldiers, guns, horse and tanks was collected in Nepal. Here students, was is used because the subject is army. यहाँ पर सिर्फ army की बात की गई, जो subject है वो army की है. A great army, अब वो army soldiers की है, guns की है, horse की है, tanks की है, उससे हमें मतलब नहीं है. हमें मतलब है जो हमारा subject है वो singular है, इसीलिए यहाँ पर हमने singular verb use की है. Now, exercise of that lesson. Fill in the blank with the suitable verb in agreement with its subject. यहाँ पर हमें verb given है तो हमें सही verb को subject के according, जो उनका subject verb agreement है उसके according यहाँ पर fill करना है. Like diamond as well as gold is found in India. Here you write is. Why? यहाँ पर हमने is क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि जो डायमंड है और जो गोल्ड है वो दोनों जो प्रीशियस आइटम्स हैं उसके लिए कंसीडर किया जा रहा है, इसीलिए वो एक ही माना जाएगा, इसलिए हमने इसका यूज किया. रिया एज वेल एज हिज ब्रदर हैज फेल्ड. आइदर रॉकी और हिज सिस्टर इज टू ब्लेम. हर नॉलेज ऑफ मैनी लैंग्वेजेस वर वंडरफुल. All work and no play makes Julie a dull girl. The poet and philosopher is dead. The crowd were gathered around the victim. Either Raman or Raj has passed. Everyone of the prisons is full. Is this woman's husband ill? Paper and wood are lighter than water. The goat as well as the cow eats grass. Students, with the help of this lesson, subject verb agreement, you have to fill all these blanks with the suitable words. जैसा आपको एक्सप्लेन किया गया है प्रीवियस वीडियोस में, मैंने आपको सारी कंडीशंस जो हैं वो क्लियर की हैं कि जब सब्जेक्ट जो हमारा होता है वो सिंगुलर होता है तब हम कैसी वर्ब यूज करते हैं, जब प्लूरल होता है तब हम कौन सी वर्ब यूज करते हैं, आइदर और, नाइदर, नॉर, एंड के यूज में हम क्या यूज करते हैं. सो ऑल ऑफ यू हैव टू done in previous videos. So students, you have to write all these answers in your book and try to learn it.